In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your resume from Google Drive. Whether you're applying for a new job or updating your career profile, having your resume readily accessible on Google Drive ensures you can quickly share it with potential employers or collaborators. Let's dive into the steps to seamlessly store your resume on Google Drive. First, if you prefer to keep things organized, I suggest creating a dedicated folder for all your resume-related documents. To begin, open Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're on the main page, locate the New button, usually found on the left side of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Folder. This will prompt you to name your new folder. Something simple and descriptive like Resumes works perfectly. Hit Enter, and just like that, you've created a space to store all versions of your resume. Now let's move on to the next step, moving into that folder. Find the folder you just created. It should be in your list of folders on the main Drive page. Double-click to open it. This is your designated area for all your resume files, keeping them distinct from other documents, which makes finding and managing them much easier in the long run. Next comes the uploading phase. While you're in your resume folder, head once more to the New button. After clicking it, look for the option labeled File Upload. Clicking here will open a file selection window on your computer. Navigate through your directories until you find the resume you wish to upload. It's typically in your Documents or Download folder if you've recently updated it. Select the resume file you want to add. It might be a Word document or a PDF, depending on your preference and what's more commonly accepted in your industry. After selecting the file, click on the Open button in your file selection window. This initiates the upload process, and you'll notice a status bar on the lower right of the Drive screen indicating progress. Once completed, the file will conveniently appear in your folder, indicating a successful upload. And there you have it. Your resume is now securely stored on Google Drive. Keeping your important documents like these on cloud storage not only gives you easy access from any device, but also ensures you can quickly share them via email or a link whenever the need arises. By following these steps, you've made sure your career documents are organized, accessible, and ready for use at a moment's notice. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more practical tech tips. Until next time, keep everything in place and ready for your professional